Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. So today I want to talk about this. This is FireDragon fuel. This is the block version and it's a really cool, innovative, environmentally friendly, really efficient fuel tablet basically. It also doubles as a antimicrobial hand gel, so that's really cool in this day and age. The whole coronavirus is kicking off. So you join me at the beach, so I apologise if there is any wave noise, but it is going to be lulling me to sleep later. So what I want to do is show you firstly that it can be lit after being submerged in water. I'm going to be heading down to the beach and doing that. I'm also going to demonstrate the fact that it can be used as a hand gel, and I'm going to light it. I'll be lighting it with a ferro rod, just to show you that it can be lit that way. Obviously, ferro rod is a waterproof, pretty efficient way of starting a fire. So I'll be using that. So here we go. First things first, I'll just give you some information about it, then we'll head down to the water. Okay, so like I said, FireDragon is an eco-friendly, clean fire lighter, which is really easy to light and will burn in pretty much every single weather condition. So it's non-toxic, it lights even when wet, which I'll be demonstrating. It is made from sustainable ingredients. It gives a really quick cooking time, it's low odour, and can be stored with food, and it's pretty cool. Also can be used indoors, well, in semi-confined spaces. Obviously ventilation is required and obviously safety is paramount. But it's designed to be used in adverse conditions, so if you're in a well-ventilated building, it can be used inside cautiously. Obviously I have to be careful not to get myself wet, because I'm in the middle of nowhere and I'm going to be pretty cold tonight. So we'll see how this goes. If I fall in, hopefully it'll be on camera. Here's the gel block, I'll open it up and get it in the drink. First use it as a hand sanitizer. Perfect for cooking. Alright, I'll try not to get soaked now. I'm going to place it here. It didn't ring. So hopefully you can see that is soaking wet now. We'll take it back up to the camp and see if we can get it lit. Okay, so I'm back up from the beach. I'm out of breath because I just sprinted. It is still soaking wet. So we are still wet. I have my ferro rod here and we'll get it lit. Oop, it's going. Hopefully you can see that. Ow, it's getting hot. Let's back up a little bit. Might be quite hard for the camera to pick up, but hopefully you can see that is lit. There we go. Perfect. So hopefully that demonstrates the awesome power of the FireDragon gel fuel block. I'll put all the burn times down in the description below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out FireDragon gel from BCB, and I'll see you soon.